Hey there, parents, guardians, and super cool kids. Welcome back to Health for Millionaires. Today, we're diving into something really exciting: food. But not just any food. We're talking about the top 10 brain-boosting foods that can make kids smarter, sharper, and more focused. So, if you want your little genius to ace their schoolwork, remember things better, and stay full of energy, stick around. And hey, if you love learning cool health facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out. Alright, let's get started. 1. Blueberries. The tiny brain powerhouses. First up, blueberries. These little guys are like tiny superheroes for the brain. They're packed with antioxidants, which protect the brain from stress and help with memory. Think of them like a shield, keeping your kids' brains safe and strong. So, next time, throw some in their breakfast cereal or blend them into a smoothie. Yum. 2. Eggs. The ultimate brain fuel. Eggs are a breakfast classic. And guess what? They're loaded with choline, a nutrient that helps build brain cells. It's like giving your child's brain the best building blocks ever. Scrambled, boiled, or even in pancakes, however you serve them, eggs are a winner. 3. Nuts, seeds, crunchy brain boosters. Almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds. These crunchy little snacks are full of healthy fats and vitamin E, which help with focus and memory. Walnuts even look like tiny brains. Coincidence? I don't think so. So, pack a handful in their lunchbox. It's a tasty way to power up their minds. 4. Oats. The brain's favorite breakfast. Oatmeal is basically the brain's best friend. It gives slow-releasing energy, keeping kids focused and alert all morning long. No more mid-class naps. Try making a fun oatmeal bowl. Add some blueberries, nuts, or even a little honey to make it extra delicious. 5. Fatty fish. The memory maker. Ever heard of omega-3 fatty acids? Well, they're like magic fuel for the brain. And fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and sardines are full of them. Omega-3s help kids remember things better, concentrate more, and even learn faster. If your child isn't a big fan of fish, try fish sticks or mix some tuna into pasta. 6. Yogurt. The gut-brain connection. Clip of a spoonful of creamy yogurt. Host. Did you know your child's stomach is actually connected to their brain? That's why probiotics in yogurt can boost both digestion and brain function. A happy belly means a happy, focused brain. Just make sure to choose plain yogurt and add natural sweetness with fruits instead of sugary versions. 7. Leafy greens, the brain's super shield. I know. Kids and leafy greens don't always get along. But spinach, kale, and broccoli are packed with folate and vitamins that help keep the brain young and sharp. Try sneaking spinach into smoothies or blending broccoli into soups. Your kids won't even notice. 8. Apples, the sweet brain snack. An apple a day keeps the doctor away and keeps the brain in top shape. Apples have antioxidants that protect brain cells and keep energy levels steady. Pro tip: pair apple slices with peanut butter for a brain-boosting snack combo. 9. Dark chocolate. Yes, chocolate. Guess what? Chocolate can be good for you. But not the sugary kind. Dark chocolate is packed with flavonoids, which help with blood flow to the brain. This means better focus, problem solving, and even creativity. Just a small piece is enough, so no, kids. That doesn't mean eating the whole bar. 10. Water, the brain's secret weapon. Okay, this one is super simple but so important. Even mild dehydration can make kids feel tired, cranky, and unfocused. So make sure your child is drinking enough water every day, especially before school and study time. And there you have it. 10 amazing foods that can help kids stay smart, sharp, and ready to take on the world. So, parents, try adding these foods to your child's meals, and you'll see a big difference in their focus, energy, and memory. And remember, healthy kids, happy kids. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with other parents. See you next time for more health tips.